hi, this is another episode of Simba the Evil Cat. Ooh, yeah. And, oh, she's just playing around now. Like, if you just scrub her to the tummy, she'll hopefully do a pose. Oh, yeah, you will, won't you?
While holding onto my arm.
Touch her nose. See what happens.
Oh my god, that feels weird.
So.
Just because.
My baby woos. Don't think she's evil anymore, and we can finish our episodes.
She is evil.
Simba has now turned
wait.
good.
What did I have it?
Oh yeah.
She squished me there.
I think we turned Simba into a good Simba now. Anyway,
Really?
that's the last episode.
Really?
The final
Really?
episode of Simba.
Really? Yeah.
Oh! Okay. I think
We
she
got
just...
it on camera.
I know. I got it on camera.
Wait, see if she's still nice or is she evil?
Did that scare you, Aaron?
Yeah.
Same.
Like that.
Okay, that's the final episode of Simba is Evil. Thank you for watching this episode, and I hope you enjoyed it.
I look
Goodbyes.
bored at this.